Hello and welcome back. Windersranger, I'm Rick. So I've got my shirt on here. You probably see this in a lot of my videos. I've got a couple of these shirts, and the original idea was, you ever wonder about, if you're not filming YouTube videos or something like that, or some other type of venue where you're worried about your outfit. Not that I really care about my outfit that much, but I didn't want to wear the same clothes in the same videos, and putting out a video a week for two different channels. I often wonder, like, oh man, am I going to wear the same outfit? When was the last time I wore this outfit? Solves that problem if you just got all the same shirts. They're all the same. Doesn't matter. They're going to look the same anyway. So that's the reason for that. And I've always had an affinity for collared shirts. I don't know why. I prefer those. Polo shirts and t-shirts, not so much. Collared shirts, that's my jam. I don't know why. So anyway, shirts. I found this little square of different type of material on the shirt tail down at the bottom where the shirt buttons. And I could never figure out why that was. And then over time, I started to suspect the reason for that. And let me show you what I found out. This particular shirt you probably see pretty frequently, or at least one that looks like it. I've got several of these shirts that you see in Windersranger and Travel to Extreme. And I've often wondered and considered an idea for this feature, which is on the inside flap of a lot of collared shirts. For some reason I prefer collared shirts. I don't really know why. But this particular one, you see it's got this softer material here that's different than the material on the shirt itself. And what that is for, I finally confirmed it. I often thought that it was for cleaning glasses, but I wasn't sure. And I recently found an article that talks about that, and that's exactly what that's for. And I'll demonstrate here. Hold on. So I have here an old pair of glasses. And yes, I do wear glasses now. I had the laser surgery some years ago, and the older I get, it's time to start busting out the eyewear to kind of assist the laser surgery that I had. Now let's see if I can do this with two hands, or well, kind of one hand, because I got to hold the camera. But you take the glasses, and you take that little flap, and you fold out to the microfiber that's on there, and you just kind of fold it over, and you can clean the lenses of your glasses with that, instead of using the rougher material that's on the shirt itself. So the shirt, it's this polyester stuff, or it's a polyester like blend or whatever. And they put that on there. A lot of my shirts have got that. And for the longest time, I couldn't figure out, like, why is this little patch of different material tucked on the thing there? That's what it is. It's so you can clean your glasses. Sunglasses, regular glasses, whatever they are. You just pull your shirt tail out. There you go. You got a nice, neat little glasses cleaner. Who knew? So now we know. So with that being said, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like button. That helps get the video out on the platform. I would invite you to go over and check out Travel to Extreme, my other channel. We went to Hollywood Studios yesterday for May the 4th. Amazing night. That was incredible. Big crowds, a lot of people. It was crowded. They even shut down Bat 2 East, or the Star Wars land, because it got overcrowded and it reached capacity. But definitely an amazing night. The day before, all of us, Greg's Adventures by George with Greg, Ryan with Exploring Ryan, the local Florida gal, which is, her name's Becky, and let me see, Drew in the Moment and Veronica. We also got to meet Mermaid Faith, who's Adam the Woo's sister, and her husband. And we also saw Super Enthused. She was kind of running around doing her thing. We went to Big Thunder Mountain. We got that ride in. It was amazing, amazing day. I might have been a little critical of the Golden Nugget thing. I'd invite you to go over to Travel to Extreme and check that video out. The ride itself was good. Track was smooth. The updates that they did were great. The Golden Nugget portion, you got to go see it to kind of understand. It's different. But anyway, thanks for watching. We will see you all in the next video.